zo. Me pass a ball, shoo. Ball, yamo, ball, ma, me, same, quoi. Ball, my, muzo. I'm on for ball, anyway. Mama, ball, and goddamn, mo. Sister, but what am hello? But I won't ball, be a ball, and I feel good. But
you know a pampas.
Oh.
Would you know a pampas?
That they may not acquire.
And a woman or not baller, etalita,
be a number of your dogs, my bullet sword. If I want my hand, but need to watch. Oh, brand mini baller, Casa de.
Shall we film be?
Ah!
Said don't conny be bow, see a janine, so Gigi a janine, see a physical, who won't say. Who body no me say, Miss Obia made the baller, even a barbon thing, or what bought jump up. Oh, what time? Oh, who are born?
Hey, mamma, me who won't know. Someone saw a baller.
Hey,
Bargain of their ball, we are petty, papa. What to class in me? I don't be them. What but them? Oh, for papa. Oh, okay. Oh, Bola, maybe do your day.
Who said me? Who said time?
Oh, free. About baby. Oh, poor about me, but do your day. I'll pull me ball up, do your day. Oh, that time. But you are. Hey, oh, Abba. Oh, class in me. What about the order? My job all at home. What about the Hello, Pastor Sister. Hello, also with my man. Only ball of ya. Show no to the chat. The about chat. Also chat and who are buy. Must for money be. Munya book must in a moon is a movie. Musa about a moon yet. What for the only ma about me warano. Shut. Ball of mine, Muzo. Shut. Come on, Bofupa. Shut. Ball to my Mocasa, my phone. Let's some. Mun ma me no moda kokuma se kohwe koba to myself for ma me wi omo saa tafo kwa me wi omo saa wa hwe ai anything so to amo mo bala no enso to na gu na mo bon me tim ho saa me tsamo pa mo bala kan ka oh mo se for mun se be mun ni mo ni please be careful in your life and your baby. Follow my muzo. Obe di mateo ka se me body achi ho. Shit. Follow my hello sister. I do. I'm on for can okay. I am ma. Hey. Sister was I be no. One more the buy. Ball away. What's ball away? What come on? What do you mean ball now? What ball come on? What ball come on? Who know the customer from ball a bill and for ball me tomorrow. So what customer? Ball! Hello!